Asakusa, Tokyo, is a photographer's paradise, offering a vibrant mix of tradition, culture, and everyday life, perfect for a daytime photo walk. The area is filled with bustling markets, historic buildings, and an eclectic blend of locals and tourists, providing endless, candid photography opportunities. From capturing street vendors and artisans hard at work to tourists enjoying the sights, the lively atmosphere makes for dynamic shots. The natural daylight enhances the colors and textures, while the interplay of sunlight and shadows creates intriguing compositions. As you explore, look for hidden corners where serene moments unfold, like a quiet artist sketching or a cat lounging in the sun. The district's blend of old and new, with its intricate architectural details and lively street scenes, offers a variety of subjects to photograph. A versatile lens, discreet approach, and careful observation will allow you to capture the essence of Asakusa, making every frame tell a story of this unique Tokyo neighborhood.
One, stop. Yeah, like this one. See? Take photo.
Américains.